In 1860, Florence Nightingale, in her seminal work, Notes on Nursing, What It Is and What It Is Not, outlined 5 fundamental elements for keeping a healthy house. These elements are 1. Pure air. 2. Pure water. 3. Efficient drainage. 4. Cleanliness. 5. Light. She asserted that, without these, no dwelling could be considered healthy. Fast forward to today, these principles are treated as commands in hospitals, industrial facilities, offices, homes, and public places. Nightingale's approach to observation, experience, and experimentation echoes Sir Francis Bacon's scientific method, underscoring their timeless relevance. However, hygiene and sanitation concepts were not widely accepted then. It took years of understanding for these principles to become the norm. In our daily lives, we encounter cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing. Cleaning removes dirt. Sanitizing reduces germs to safe levels. Disinfecting kills viruses, bacteria, and fungi on surfaces. For instance, a table with 1 million bacteria treated with disinfectant kills nearly 100%, while sanitizer leaves 9,000 to 9,900 bacteria. Disinfectants are more effective in destroying harmful microorganisms. Understanding which products to use is key. Benjamin Ward Richardson discovered hydrogen peroxide's disinfecting properties in 1858, still crucial today alongside other chemicals like surfactants, alcohol, chlorine compounds, and peracetic acid. The Green Movement emphasizes products that decompose completely, leaving no harmful residues. For example, peracetic acid is derived from vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, decomposing into water, but it is highly unstable and corrosive. Problem solving in any industry requires considering multiple aspects: production time, correct product usage, regulations, and training. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're seeking the best solutions for your industry or need an impartial recommendation, feel free to reach out. Schedule a call or email